Hi everybody, I'm Philip Duncan. Thanks for joining us for our Tuesday weather video, brought to you as usual by Country TV on Sky Channel 081. Well, it was a bit of a cool night last night, we predicted that, but the warmer weather is certainly around still during the daytimes, and we're expecting highs over the next couple of days into the mid-20s, 24s, 25s, 26s, around the eastern parts of like Canterbury, Hawke's Bay. So this is very warm for this time of the year, well above average. It'll be breaking some records, pretty sure of that. Here's all the warm weather. It's coming down as northerlies, some downpours mainly out at sea, which means the first place it hits is the westernmost part of the country, and that is the west coast. So it comes straight into the South Island's west coast with some rain, and that's what we see here on the Wednesday rain map. Heavy downpours, and we've seen this year with subtropical bands of rain. They can be very skinny and narrow like this, but they can produce localised flood events, and we saw that in Coromandel and Franz Josef and some parts of Bay of Plenty earlier this season. So I'm not saying we're definitely getting a repeat of that, but just be aware that these downpours could be quite heavy and slow moving as well, with all the high pressure blocking. But it's mainly dry for everybody else. Might be a little drizzly shower or two in the north. Humidity is starting to go up a bit. We already saw that around Auckland and Waikato this morning with a few fog patches which developed overnight. Long cool nights, warm days, perfect recipe for some fog, especially around the sea, which is still fairly mild. You could even go for a swim if you really were keen. And here we go into Thursday. You can see showers and some rain may be coming through this dry central part of the country. It'd be great if it got into Wairarapa. It is coming in slightly from the wrong direction, but we're hoping it will come in. There's a little tiny southerly change here. It's not much of one, and the warm weather comes straight back again into the South Island in another day after Thursday, but there's a little change here, and we hope it might just bring in a few showers to this dry part of the country. And we'll end just quickly on Friday. High pressure still remains out here, so that means the subtropical wind flow is still coming down, and that little brief southerly on Thursday that I just mentioned in the south, that's gone. Back to northerlies once again. So there could be still some cooler overnight lows this week, but certainly the daytime highs are above average for just about every part of New Zealand, and this pattern continues right through until about the 10th of May. That is all for me. Don't forget, for the 10-minute long 10-day forecast, Sky Channel 081 Country TV.